Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of the TRX 3.3. Okay, so the stock engine that came with my Revo, it worked out pretty good for about the first month, but then it just blew up on me. So I sent it into Traxxas and told them all about it, and they replaced the whole engine totally free. And they also sent a flywheel and a cone to go in the flywheel. So yeah. Here's the box. Just telling you how much more power's in the 3.3 versus the 2.5. And they have the lifetime engine replacement plan. It's pretty good. I think you pay half the price of the engine for a new one when it wears out. And it has 60% more peak horsepower than the 2.5. So I'm going to unbox this. Let's get to unboxing this. Okay, so first you're going to find the owner's manual. It's pretty important. And then the service and support guide. Here's the registration sheet. Here's some stickers. Nitro setup and tuning DVD. Some foam padding. And you get the TRX 3.3 with an air filter, and you get a pull start with this one, which is nice because my easy start was constantly falling off the engine and stuff. It is really annoying. And this does not come with a flywheel, and it comes with this old air filter, which I have the 2-stage air filter. Has a lot more airflow. Here's a couple more parts. The exhaust, it looks like, I think. Not sure. Here's some air filter oil, that's pretty nice. So yeah. I think that's pretty nice that they include a pull starter. But here's the engine. Already comes with a glow plug, that's very nice. Glad they gave me that. And you will want to watch this DVD and break it in exactly to the instructions, and you will want to make sure your engine temperatures are 220 degrees or above. I think that's one mistake I might have made breaking it in, but nobody had ever told me about the temperatures. So yeah, looks very nice. I think I'm going to use this pull starter more, just try it out. But you're definitely going to want to watch this if you're new to nitro. So yeah, hopefully I can get a new running video of the Revo out soon, after I break this in. So yeah, thanks for watching.